Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2017 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2017 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special with 16,526 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, a keyless ignition, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and navigation. It's been upgraded with a big bore kit, upgraded cams, an upgraded clutch, an EFI module, aftermarket rear shocks, a Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, an aftermarket exhaust, an engine guard, a Clockworks windshield, grips, levers, 8-inch handlebars, a CVO-style seat, poke upper fairing and saddlebag lid speakers, Harley-Davidson rider floorboards, a brake pedal, a shifter peg, shift linkage, a plate bracket, an LED headlight, a primary cover, and docking hardware. In stock form, the Street Glide is powered by a 107 cubic inch V-twin engine, putting 114 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With the upgraded engine, the Street Glide now makes 138 horsepower and 145 foot-pounds of torque. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Street Glide has a 200 to 250 mile range. It has a 27-inch seat height and an 830-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, the Street Glide will need a headlight with a DOT-compliant color. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and the rear at 730 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has an owner's manual, 2 keys and 2 fobs, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.